Here with us now to talk about another threat or danger with these storms, which is going to be the threat for very, very heavy rainfall.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're seeing a lot of the same areas that have already received a lot of rainfall the past couple weeks being hit again with that potential for storms. If we look at the satellite loop for the past 7 days, notice that there's just lines of storms that continue to come through the Midwest. There's another one right there, and it looks like that they're all fairly horizontal. There's what seems like been days and days of boundaries in this region that have been focus areas for convergence. That's what we're seeing today. So in addition to the severe weather threat, we're seeing a flash flood threat here, Alex. And unfortunately, a lot of these areas, we've got rivers and creeks that are well near the flood stages.
Right. You look at the red indicating moderate flood stage, major flood stage in the purple. These are areas that have been soggy. They continue to watch for showers and storms.
Yeah, absolutely. And unfortunately, that's just it. Sometimes may even take a few days to see the repercussions of that rainfall in a lot of those areas because it may take a while for those rivers to really reach their peak. So we could be seeing flooding throughout the week, even after the event ends. So please be on the alert for that. And it's not going to take a whole lot to cause flooding in a lot of these areas. We're seeing much of the Northwest, the Midwest here, only going to take about an inch or two of rain to cause some flooding in a lot of these areas. So, Alex, unfortunately, we're calling for just about that amount tonight, just about south of I-80 and here in Illinois and Missouri.
Yes, some isolated totals, 3+ inches. Dr. Navarro, thanks so much. Severe weather also in the cards as we head toward
Mike back into this and talk a little bit about why that's going to be the case, Alex.
And to go hand in hand with it, we're going to get a little bit lower humidity too, right? The dew points are going to come down some too, so it'll be refreshing.
Yeah, this is going to feel very refreshing compared to where we were because those dew points are going to be dramatic behind this cold front that's pushing south. So that's later this weekend. With that, we're going to see the temperatures tick down just a little bit. So we're going to be in the 90s here across much of the southeast. But hanging in towards the weekend, we're going to start coming back down to the mid-80s, maybe even up into the upper 70s.
If you can do like a mid-80s in Nashville with a manageable dew point, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's not a bad July day.
No, not at all. And how about we take a look at those dew points because I think, Mike, you're going to like this.
All right. Friday morning, we're talking 11 o'clock in the morning. You know, the numbers are now starting to come down. You see 60s. We're falling back down into the 60s. Lower 50s. We'll take 50s dew points.
Comfortable.
Got no problem with that. So you're finally getting a little bit of dry air that you haven't had lately.
Yeah.
All right. Dr. Navarro, thank you.